Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm here to give you an overview of this here Owala thermos water bottle. And the reason why this is a great thermos water bottle for kids, because I'm gonna start off, this thing is super durable. I mean it's stainless steel of some sort, and but this just happens to be, I think there's a couple different color options. This one is the white, it's like an off-white, like a matte white. It's not slick, so when it gets wet, again, thinking from young ones, it doesn't slip out of their hands. It has a rubber, this is all rubber, this is hard plastic. Has the nozzle here that pops up. There's a handle, actually, there's a handle right here. This pops up, you got a couple different options. There's a built-in straw, and there's like the bigger one for gulping. That's what it looks like with the straw that pops off right there. Cleans very easily, so if you need something to clean, you do have that. It's I wouldn't say it's leak proof, but it ain't leaking since I've had this thing, since our family's had this thing. It does have a seal ring in here, seals up real nice. And two other things I want to share with you is that it holds, because I just measured it, 4 cups of water. So a good bit of water. And if you want to put this in a backpack or somewhere, this is spring loaded by the way also, so it stays out of your way. That's not. But if you want to know if this will fit in your backpack or wherever whatever you have, the all the way around dimension all the way around is right at 11 inches, right 11 inches that away, and then the total height is right at 10 inches. Right, actually no, 10 and a half. Hopefully all this information helps. This thing will keep your drink cold or warm, and we'll tie you soon.